The crypto market is tumbling and global tensions are to blame. Can Bitcoin still hold its ground as a safe haven asset, or is the entire market shaking? Let's dive into today's biggest crypto drops and gains. Hi and welcome to Crypto Pulse, where we provide you daily updates on crypto market trends for strategic investments and calculated gains. Today, the global crypto market experienced a sharp decline as tensions between Iran and Israel escalated. Iran launched missiles at Israel, raising concerns of a broader conflict in the Middle East. This news sent shockwaves through both traditional financial markets and the crypto world. Bitcoin, which is typically seen as a refugee during uncertainty, dropping 0.56% in the last 24 hours, trading at $61,379.90. Over the past week, BTC saw a 3.33% decline. Technical analysis of the BTC chart shows a slight recovery after hitting a local bottom of $60,524.21, but strong resistance near $61,493.18 remains a barrier for further upward movement. Ethereum dropped 3.70% in the last 24 hours, trading at $2,396.62. Over the past week, ETH has seen a 7.86% decline, underperforming Bitcoin. Solana fell by 3.09% to $142.54 with a 4.39% decline over the past week. Investors are cautious about high volatility assets amid geopolitical tensions. Ripple or XRP suffered the most among major cryptos, dropping by 10.71% to $0.54 in just 24 hours. This decline reflects the growing unease in the market as XRP holds also worry about its ongoing legal battle with the US SEC. Let's talk about the biggest gainers. Amid the chaos, some cryptos managed to gain. Flare surged by 13.51%, driven by network upgrades and new partnerships. Wormhole and APT followed with 8.49% and 8.26% gains, respectively. Stacks and Sui also posted gains of 7.52% and 6.98%. If we talk about the biggest losers, Eigenlayer took the hardest hit, dropping 16.64%, followed by Beam and Ethena, which saw losses of 16.16% and 13.56% respectively. Now let's talk about the crypto market outlook, starting with Bitcoin. With geopolitical uncertainty looming, the crypto market remains vulnerable. If tensions ease, we might see a recovery. But for now, investors are flocking to safe assets like stablecoins, the US dollars, and gold. So as the geopolitical situation unfolds, the crypto market remains on edge. Investors are watching closely, hoping for signs of stability. Until then, caution is key and diversification might be your best defense. Keep a close eye on critical resistance levels like $61,940 for Bitcoin and $2,500 for Ethereum, as breaking these could signal a market turnaround. Remember, in the ever-changing world of crypto, knowledge is power. Stay informed, stay strategic, and always plan for the unexpected. With Analytics Insight, your go-to digital companion for all the things crypto.